Hey, so this is step-by-step tutorial on how you can create a free account on Selar. How you can create a free account on Selar. If this is your first time of watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. In my next video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step method on how to set up your account for payment. How you can set up your account that you can receive payment from it internationally. Without wasting my time here, let's dive into business. So let me launch my Chrome. Okay, so we are going to search for selar.co. Selar.co. You are going to create an account that can. Alright, so set this in your web browser, selar.co. Alright, so we are going to create an account that can receive payment internationally to a mobile money account or bank account. Alright, so this is the interface of the website when you launch it. This is how the site looks. Yes, so sell any kind of products, services and subscription. We have digital products, ebooks, courses and membership, even event ticket and training, services, physical goods and any more. Yeah, there are plenty of things that you can upload it here and make money from it online. Alright, so without wasting my time here, let's go into business. Just click on the three dots here. Alright, so when you click on it, then you come to login. Click on login. Click on login. Alright, so this is the next step. Log into Selar. Don't have an account, create one for free. Because it's your first time of using this Selar, you have to create an account. So you have to create a free account. So what you are going to do is to click on here, create one for free. Just click on create one for free. Okay, so we are going to enter our username here, email address here, full name and password. Address, full name and my password. Alright, then you click on create account. Click on create account. Alright. Boom, now this is our dashboard. Now this is our dashboard. Alright, so start by setting up your bank account details. Welcome to Selar, your simple e-commerce tool to sell your content, products and services across borders. Alright, so so this is step-by-step tutorial on how you can create a free account on Selar. How you can create a free account on Selar. Watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. In my next video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step method on how to set up your account for payment. How you can set up your account that you can receive payment from it internationally.